this is the screen that we made from the Thermofax machine. So you make sure that you've got it. I can read the text. I've used this before, so there's a faint outline, and so I know that I've got it right way up. And I always just do a test one on some scrap paper. This ink comes as a base with then colors that you can add, and you have to add a fixative, which is quite liquid. So you have to add as much fixative as you add pigment, and in order to get a black, I have to add a lot of pigment, which means a lot of fixative, so the ink gets kind of runny. It's a little harder to use than the colored ink. So all I do, I don't want to block that with my hand, but I do need to put my hand here, is I put it on this, it's my old driver's license, and scrape along here. I'm just holding the screen steady there, and then there we go. So that's okay. It's not so hard when you've got just a small bit of text like this, but when I have a page that's got a lot of text on it, then I have to figure out. So I can probably do half and half. I didn't quite get that word. Now I've missed these last two words here, so I'm going to try going this way, and I have missed this. I think I've got it all. So then I keep holding it just so it doesn't move, and I just peek. So I can see that I've got this word important here, and I actually don't have the N and the T. I don't know if I have enough ink left on this. Yeah, I got it now. There we go. So that's, and sometimes when I lift it up to see and I've missed something and I put it down again and I do another pass, then it actually moves a little and I get double letters, and so that's a write-off. I'm going to try again and make sure this time I go far enough to get those words, and I still have enough ink here. Didn't get this though. That's better. There, that's actually really nice. Sometimes a little too much ink gets on the back, and then I take a piece of Kleenex and try to clean it off. Or I can wash the whole screen. So that's how I've been printing these books.